Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Mark, and in today's video we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing Spongebob Dimension. That's right, guys, and I am super excited that we're heading to the Spongebob Dimension because I am a super fan of SpongeBob. I absolutely love SpongeBob, guys, but what we're going to be using to head to the SpongeBob Dimension is we're going to be using Tin Sponge, we're also going to be using Fur Wet Sponge, and one Flint and Steel, guys, and that's all we're going to be using to head to the SpongeBob Dimension. But what we're going to need to do first, we're going to need to place 2 sponge down, just like that, right there, guys. Then we're going to need to place 1 wet sponge on each side of our sponge, just like that, right there, guys. After we've done that, now we can just go ahead, run, and jump on up. Then we need to place 3 sponge on this side with 1 wet sponge right on top. Now we can just go ahead and jump on down, son of my buns. And wow, guys, that wet sponge is dripping. It is dripping like crazy. But now we can just go ahead and place 3 sponge on this side, and then 2 sponge in the middle, and then 1 wet sponge on the edge. Now we can just go ahead, run, and jump on down, and take a look at this amazing, epic frame we have just created, guys. So that's what it should look like after you're done. But after you're done with making the frame, guys, now it's time for the fun part. We're gonna light this baby up. This is gonna be so cool, guys. Boom! Wow, don't that look amazing, guys? That really does look amazing. Wow, that is so cool, guys. That is so cool, but now it's time to head into the SpongeBob Dimension. This is going to be so amazing, guys. Oh my God, guys. I knew this dimension was going to be amazing, but I did not expect it to be this amazing, guys. Wow. I cannot believe I am actually looking at SpongeBob's house, Squidward's house, and also Patrick's house. This is the greatest day of my life, guys. This is the greatest day of my life, and oh my God, Sandy's house is even in this dimension. Wow, guys, this is the most amazing dimension I've ever been to, guys. What is this? Bubbles? 25 cents? Why is nobody running this? You know what? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to have my pig run it. And then I'm going to come back after he makes a boatload of money. And I'm going to take it all. Is that okay? I think it's okay. I think he's going to work for free. I think he's going to work for free. You know what's probably going to happen? He's probably going to get all that money and yeah, he's going to run. He's going to run. He's not going to give it to me. But wow, guys, I absolutely love SpongeBob's house. You know what? I think it's time to go inside. Oh my God, guys, this is where SpongeBob sits and he watches the news and Gary sits next to him. Wow, guys, this is bringing back so many memories for me, guys. Wow, I absolutely love this place. You know what I want to do? I want to throw a party in this place. SpongeBob has thrown tons of parties in his house, and I just want to throw one party. That would be so cool. That'd be so cool if I could throw a party in SpongeBob's house. But let's go ahead and see what's down here, guys. No way! I cannot believe I am actually meeting up with SpongeBob in his house. This is the greatest day of my life. This is the greatest day of my life. I absolutely love SpongeBob. And what is this? Gary's food bowl? Why is it empty? Did you forget to feed Gary again? You know what? I haven't seen Gary. Don't tell me Gary ran off again. No way. He's probably at some creepy old lady's house right now, about to get ate. She's probably gonna be eating Gary's soup. Are you just gonna allow this, SpongeBob? Don't tell me you're just gonna allow this. No, he's not gonna allow it, guys. He's not gonna allow it. He's gonna get Gary back. You know what? I'm gonna throw some enchanted apples in Gary's food bowl, and you know what? That might bring him back. That might bring him back. But wow, this kitchen's amazing. I absolutely love SpongeBob's kitchen. Let's go ahead and see what's in here, guys. Whoa, this must be his bathroom. This must be where he takes his showers. And this must be where he washes his hands. And this must be where he... Well, let's not talk about that. Let's not talk about that. You know what? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to check out the rest of your house. I really want to see his bedroom. That's what I really want to see, guys. So let's go ahead and head on up to his bedroom. If I can get in. Oh my God, how did he beat me to his bedroom? How did you beat me to your bedroom? Do you got like a secret elevator or something? I cannot believe this. I cannot believe SpongeBob beat me to his bedroom, but wow, I really like his bedroom, guys. He has a really nice bedroom. You know what? I've always wanted one of these, so I could climb up it and then jump into my bed. But you know what? I don't think my mom would let me have that. Actually, I know my mom wouldn't let me have that. She would be too afraid that I would accidentally fall off of it and break my leg. Which I wouldn't. I probably would. Let's go ahead and see what's down here, guys. Oh my God! This is SpongeBob's library! And why are you in SpongeBob's library, Patrick? You can't read. Why would you come to a library if you can't read? Oh, just to look at the pictures? Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Let's go ahead and see what's in here, guys. No way! The Krabby Patty secret formula? I gotta show you guys. I gotta show you guys this. Wow, this is going to be so epic, guys. We're finally gonna know what's inside Krabby Patties. No chance, Plankton? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Why get my hopes up like that just to crush them? That makes me so angry. That makes me so angry. You know what? I'm leaving. I'm leaving SpongeBob's house, and I'm going to Squidward's house. So bye, SpongeBob. I still like you. I really do like SpongeBob, but you know what? I'm not going to look around his house. I'm not going to look around his house anymore, guys, because I'm falling for all of his traps. What is this? Kelp garden? Do not touch? He don't want me to touch his kelp garden? Why not? That's probably why, guys. That's probably why. You know what? What happens if I touch it gently? Oh my God! I'm not going to touch it again. I'm not going to touch his kelp garden again. I'm going to leave it alone. He's probably going to be really, really mad at me. You know what? I'm going to pick his nose. I'm going to pick his house's nose. I've always wanted to do that, but let's go ahead and see what the inside of his house looks like. And oh my God! Right there he is, guys! Wow, your nose is so much larger in person. He just looks so mad. He just looks so mad. But wow, I love his house. And wow, he got cake. Please don't be mad at me for eating that. Please don't be mad. You know what? I'm gonna give you the Krabby Patty secret formula. That should make up for it. But wow, I really do love his house. He has really good taste. He really does, guys. But let's go ahead and head up to his bedroom. Wow, guys. His bedroom is really nice. Wow, I love this bedroom. I really do. I could just imagine, just laying down in his bed, sleeping, and then all of a sudden I wake up, and then I look over at him, and he looks over at me, and we're looking into each other's eyes, and then he's like, "Get out of my bed!" I'm like, "I'm getting out of your bed. Let's go ahead, and let's go check out Patrick's house. Because I love Patrick, guys. Patrick's funny. He really is, guys. And oh my god. Wow, Patrick's house is really nice. I really love your house, Patrick. This must be his bedroom. Wow, he got a really nice bed. I love the colors, guys. I love the colors on his bed. And what is this? Patrick's secret box? Should I open that and see what's inside Patrick's super secret box? No, I think I'm going to leave it a secret. Guys. Let's go ahead and see what's in here, guys. Whoa, this must be his kitchen. I don't think I could do it, though. I don't think I could eat sand. I mean, I would have to head down to the Krusty Krab and pick up a Krabby Patty with you, Patrick, because there's no way I'm going to eat sand. I'm sorry. I can't do it. I cannot eat sand. Oh my god, I need out. Wow, guys. This dimension is absolutely amazing, guys. I'm definitely coming back to this dimension because it is amazing. I love Squidward's house. I also love Patrick's house, but I really love SpongeBob's house. His house is super nice, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.